In this video we'll demonstrate how to use the new Plans pop-up, including the new Quick Planner. Tap the Plans button to open the Plans pop-up. The pop-up is divided into two sections. The top section contains the Quick Planner, and the bottom section is the Plans list. We'll start by looking at the Quick Planner. The first step is to select the type of flight, VFR or IFR. This determines the types of waypoints that will be suggested. You can also select an aircraft profile that will be used in the plan. Start typing a waypoint into the Quick Planner. You can use a waypoint's name or code. As you begin typing, a list of suggestions will appear. Tap on an item in the list to insert it into the plan, or press space and the top suggestion will be automatically inserted. If you are planning IFR, air routes will also appear in the suggestion list. Tap on an air route to autofill it into the Quick Planner. As before, you can also enter coordinates, and radial ranges. In the plans list, plans can now be sorted by name, total distance, departure time, creation date, or closest to your current location. Change the sort order by selecting the same option again. For example, select plan name to sort plans by A to Z. Select plan name again to sort by Z to A. Use the share icon to share or export all plans in the list. Press Edit to select multiple plans. You can then delete only the selected plans, or use the share icon to share or export the selected plans. Press Cancel to exit edit mode. Tap on a plan to see the plan details. From here, you can go back to the plans list, open the NAIPS flight notification form, go to the plan sheet, share, duplicate, invert, or copy the plan, edit the plan, change the associated aircraft, change the associated pilot, change the ETD, change the flight type, or change the flight rules.